At a peaceful rally held in the city on the 20th of July 2022, youngsters who had appeared in the examination to the recruitment in the Meghalaya Police Department had taken to the streets to once again demand for the declaration of results of the examination held in 2019. It may be reminded that a memorandum to the same effect was earlier submitted to Meghalaya Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui. It may be reminded that the youth had given a time frame of 2 months to the government to resolve the issue. However, today they had organized a peaceful protest march from Malki to Civil Hospital Point in Shillong to express their desire for their grievances to be addressed so that the age criteria for the application is not affected.
Ikum candidate nyawan hani amang nyawan banya huri huramo henry nyawan hani da bajajai nyawan ban pensngau ban penkenmang yak sarkar nambakan penmi akan result jengi namar ke election lokal Januan kana lawan ke election kani ke result jengi kan pending the next kumtai kanum penmi show ra ka result ro minsu up saben kata jengi sa over tang bangi up result
apply ka ni zaman chinga primonen chinga bunga dok bajen cha chakate running rang practice ka ni zaman chinga chiko okam taya ha khatna unon chinga patan neng ka ni kon manna deba tau won ni ba baita chiko running fast ka ni zaman ba chiko stop kai dona